Today's meeting organized by IEMD along with ICMR is, I think, a great initiative to bring various stakeholders together in a single forum. So, like we have in this session today, parents are also there, experts are also there, researchers are there, and the parent advocacy groups are there. So, all four things which is required for holistic management are sitting together in a single forum. I think that's a very great initiative taken by ICMR along with IEMD. So, muscular dystrophy is a disease which is very progressive and it's a difficult disease once you are affected because lots of muscles getting affected and by day your mobility tend to be limited. So, like it initially starts with the difficulty in walking, then patient tend to lose ability to mobility is lost, then gradually they lost the ability to use hands as well as respiratory weakness, cardiac dysfunction. So all these things come sequentially over years, so that makes the patient make them dependent on several caretakers. So they require lots of help in terms of doing their day-to-day activities. So the therapy also is a kind of multidisciplinary. They require a therapist, which is like physiotherapist. They require a neurologist. They require a cardiologist, respiratory support. They require a pulmonologist. Then they require geneticists who can make diagnosis and give prenatal diagnosis to the family. So it's a lots of people who are required to support these patients. So patient, once they are diagnosed, they feel that they are alone into this kind of battle. So joining a group like IAMD or a parent advocacy helps them to navigate the challenges which they initially face, like the diagnosis comes as a shock, so they have to accept it gradually. They have to learn how to accept the diagnosis and then move towards a positive direction. So that's the role of parent advocacy groups comes here, because these are the groups made by the patients or parents who are affected by this. So these are the motivated people who wants to change their life and they want to bring something positive to their life. So joining a parent advocacy group and joining a rehab center is really helpful to bring very positivity to these patients, because once they feel that they are limited, has disability, negativity tend to engulf them and patient tend to think that nothing can be done now. But once you join a group or join families who are affected, then you get the positivity and start learning and how to accept the diagnosis and move forward. So integration of ICMR into this meeting is really helpful because they brought the researchers into the team. So lots of research is going in terms of newer therapy, newer devices, and the parents who are present in this meeting also learn what is the advances are made into the disease. So basically what happens, sometimes parents tend to hear this information from media, from social media, newspaper bites that something has come which cures the disease. So by that they have lots of expectation that something new has come and will really help me. But I think such kind of meeting bring the clinician, researchers and parents together so that they can learn the nuances, like how significant is that improvement, how the drug is actually working or not, or is this a hype. So there is a lots of interaction between patients and families and researchers, so you get updated about what is actually going in, where you have to go to multidisciplinary care. So I think that's all important aspect of this meeting. I think it's a very great step. I think lots of more diseases should have this kind of a parent support group who are taking the initiative to bring the government together, researchers together, clinicians together to make their life more useful. Similar NGOs or these advocacy groups are very strong in USA and UK. They have so much of crowdfunding, or they join hands and generate lots of fund to generate research. So we are still lacking in that government is though government is spending lots of money for treatment of diseases and research, but research has to come through the parent support group also. Like these advocacy groups themselves can generate fund and fund the researchers to do more work, which can be little faster as compared to the government agency alone. We are expecting to fund these researchers. So I think that's a joining hand together, all four stakeholders who are there: researcher, clinician, geneticist, as well as patients. So that's the way we move forward. And IAMD is doing a good work. I've been here for several times previously also, and I feel motivated whenever I meet people who are working at IAMD. The way they have conceptualized this center, they have brought this center to the light and to help of patients is also kind of great. I work in a PGI Chandigarh and I see lots of muscular dystrophy patients, and our patients are also when they come to know about this center, they come here and stay here and join hands with their family, and they also feel positive and motivated. So that's the advantage this kind of centers can bring to the life of people who are having such kind of progressive, severe neuromuscular diseases. And it's a beautiful place, and the center is surrounded by so much beauty, natural beauty, and so it's a lovely place to be here.